Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to become a star seller on Etsy website. So first of all, all you need to do just go and open the browser that you're gonna use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and if you are logged in into your account, you'll find a welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option instead of those icons. If you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account, or if you don't have an account, you'll be able to create one. Of course, you'll be able to do those two options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account, and of course it will be much faster. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself, as we said, here with this home page and with this welcome back sentence. So as we said in the beginning of the video on how to become a star seller. So of course, if you already have a shop, let me just go to the shop manager, and of course you are a good seller, you're selling and maybe even buying stuff from Etsy, but you would like to become a star seller. So customers will be confident on buying things on your shop. So of course, there are four things that you need to do. First of all, you would like to reply to first messages within 24 hours. Responding to messages quickly helps create a great experience for shoppers. Then, you would like to earn a rating average of 4.8 or higher. Of course, you would like to ship orders on time with tracking or a label from Etsy. And last, you would like to make at least 5 sales worth $300. Make sure that those tips will make you a star seller and customers will put more confidence on your shop. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.